Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, good evening, members. My name is Owino Innocent, a member of Group 18, and in the class of postgraduate diploma in project planning and management, presenting a coursework on procurement management. In the group, we are a group of 3 members, Paling Emmanuel, Owino Innocent, myself, and Kaku Caroline. We have in the introductory part, we decide by introducing procurement planning is a process of identifying, consolidating requirements and determining the time frame for their procurement with the aim of having them as and when they are required. So procurement planning is important because of the following reasons. It is one of the prerequisites for successful implementations of projects, limits scope or non-compliance with agreed procurement procedures, it enhances transparency and predictability, provide good basis for monitoring, facilitates efficient and effective treasury management by spreading out annual procurement activities, consistent with needs and resources available. Our organization is called Westridge Uganda Limited. The background is that Westridge is a community-based it's a community-based waste management organization written in the year 2009, registered in the year 2009 with the National NGO Board. The organization has its headquarters located in Gulu City, Plot 24. Westridge Uganda Limited has received funds from USAID to implement a project which focuses on waste management within Gulu City and employs the strategy of recycling, reuse, reduced from 2022 to 2025. Solid waste is collected from within the city, markets, dumping areas, homesteads, and other unauthorized solid waste dumping sites within Gulu City. The waste is collected, taken to be sorted based on the organic makeup and then considered for one of the 2 options, either reused or reduced. The company has the following departments: human resource, sales, marketing, procurement, solid waste, and solid waste management department. The vision of the company is the organization is to be leaders in conservation of the environment in Gulu City through provisions of sustainable waste management solutions for clean cities. Its mission is to promote in place sustainable system for waste collection, segregation, treatment, along with the controlled, systematic, and effective ways of reducing waste generation in Gulu Town. Core values are partnerships, creativity, accountability, responsiveness, and safety. The goal is to develop and foster effective and efficient waste management mechanism that will be used to reduce 80% of poorly managed municipal waste in Gulu Town and improve on waste collection services by year 2025. Waste Collection Management Department has specific objectives to reduce and engage 250 key stakeholders on sustainable solid waste management practices by 2025, to promote environmentally safe and friendly waste management practices in 4 divisions in Gulu Town by 2025, to protect the health and well-being of people by providing affordable waste collection services in 4 divisions by 2025. So above are the objectives and then the background and introduction to the projects. My friends will take over from the plans activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Innocent. Now, to achieve our objectives, we came up with a few activities, which include conducting awareness campaigns on solid waste management through radio talk shows, individual committee meetings, production and distribution of information, education and communication materials. And in this, we shall need some fuel, some allowances, some airtime, and t-shirts, and some stationery to be able to execute these activities. We also have capacity building and waste management, where we intend to train 60 waste management committees, training municipal educators, and staff training. And in this, we shall need some markers, laptops, projectors, some refreshment, allowances, and some laptops and projectors to be able to execute these activities. The other one is engaging stakeholders in the recycle and use of waste, where we shall encourage waste sorting, processing of waste, setting up shops within the city to absorb the waste. And where we shall need the personnel, shall need resources like iron sheets, some containers, waste processing machine will also be needed, some flares and some stationery during our engagements. We shall also gazette garbage sites and distribution of garbage through construction of garbage sites, distribution of garbage containers. And in this aspect, we shall need the excavators to be able to implement this activity, some human resource and personnel, some fuel, containers, and then also some more chain link and some concrete poles to be able to fence off these garbage sites. We shall also do waste collection, where there will be waste sorting, waste transportation, waste disposal, where we shall need fuel, vehicles, and some personnel as well. And then management and process of waste. We shall construct incinerators, treat this waste, and recycle it. So we shall need some more bricks, some mansons, some more decomposing chemicals, and also a recycling machine to be able to implement that part of our objective. We shall also sell and distribute waste collection bins and materials. So we shall go ahead and purchase them, distribute them, and collect this waste from households, where we shall use plastic bags, where we shall need fuel and some more means of movement in form of vehicles. And then formulation of waste management policies. Through attending the district coordination meetings, spearhead review of existing policies, and engage the community in policy formulation. And in this case, shall need to hire a few halls, shall need some refreshment, some allowances, and also a vehicle to help in the movement. So, and we shall also reward our waste generators. So we shall go ahead and identify them, identify the best disposing households and facilities, organize the waste management campaigns. So we shall also need some more to hire a hall, some refreshments, some stationery, and also some allowances and gifts to reward the best waste generators. I would like to welcome Caroline to go ahead with the next
Thank
presentation.
you very much. Thank you, Emma, for that presentation. I'll go ahead and talk about the procurement plan, which we derived from the department budget. Please go ahead down to the procurement plan. The procurement plan, we describe the items that we need to be procured. We mentioned the quantities in units, the estimated costs, and the confirmed source of funding and the time frame. We categorize these items into works, goods, and services. And under works, we have construction of garbage sites, fencing of garbage sites with chain link and concrete pillars, construction of incinerators in the 4 divisions, and the estimated costs are 300 million for construction, 1.875 million, 28,670,000 for incinerators, and the time frame is between the 1st of March to the 31st of March 2022 for the first 2 works, and the last one is between 1st of April to 30th of April 2022. Under goods, we have purchase of procurement of vehicles, 2 double cabins and 2 Isuzu lorries with their specifications estimated at the cost of 520 million. And our source of funding throughout the project will be is from USAID. And the time frames are stated in the procurement plan. The time between 1st of April to 31st of June, that is the time we expect to have our vehicles in place. We have collection bins, we have processing machines, waste processing machines, we have fuel specified in diesel, in liters. We have t-shirts, plastic bags, flyers, certificates, markers, notebooks, which are all described in the description under item. We have flip charts, bottled water, and posters. These are all under goods. And then we have our services, which are airtime, MTN bundles. We need facilitators, whole hire, which is all expected between the 1st of March to the 31st of December 2022, when we require to have our items procured. Thank you very much. This is the presentation from Group 18.
Thank you very much.